Hello guys, welcome to another video, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy audiomack streams very fast. And we're going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search www.growbetter.net www.growbetter.net. Once you search it as a first timer, note this is how the website is going to display as. growbetter.net is a website where you boost your social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, Spotify, audiomack, Twitter, and other social media apps. And on this website you can boost your view, subscribers, followers, like, comments, shares, and other services. To make use of this website, you have to have an account with this website, right? And if you don't have an account, all you have to do is click on sign up right there. Follow the few steps you'll be shown to sign up on growbetter.net. It is very easy and simple to sign up. If you have an account, just sign in. I have an account already. I'll just input my details and sign in. Once you're signed in, this is how the website looks like on the inside. Note, as a first timer, this is how the website looks like on the inside. And as I said earlier, you have to have an account with this website. You have to sign up, and the second thing is you have to have fund on your account before you can make use of this website. The website growbetter.net, it is not free. You have to have fund on your account before you can make any other. Let's get right into the video. As I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy audiomack streams very fast. Under this category, you click on this arrow. You see audiomack services right there. You click on it. Under service, you click on this arrow. There are varieties of audiomack streams there, as you can see. You see audiomack play, audiomack followers, audiomack stream USA, Canada, UK, France, Germany, Nigeria, Ghana, Egypt, and South Africa. And we are doing audiomack streams, right? You can just pick any one of your choice, but we are just doing audiomack streams, and it's the third one there under that service there. You just click on it. Down here you see link and quantity. On this link you have to input the song link, and under this quantity you input the amount of streams you want to get. On this link I'm going to be inputting my link. I've copied my link before I start this video, but if you want me to drop a specific video concerning how to copy any song link, all you have to do is drop a comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do just that. And under this quantity is from 1000 above you can get your streams. As you can see under it right there, is from 1000 above, nothing less, 1000 above. And I'm going to be imputing 1000 for the purpose of this video, and I'll click on done. Once you have input the amount of streams you want to get and your correct song link, all you have to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will see a notification that your order has been received, and it is that simple and easy to buy audiomack stream very fast. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this, and if it's your first time coming across, know it now. Kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to be notified anytime we post a new video. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. And if you are subscribed to this channel, thank you and God bless you.